How do, everybody? Today, we've got a bit of a fine mess. The end of our shop here, well, garage, whatever you want to call it. We lost a horizontal beam, so I'm gonna try and replace it with another one that's not so rotted. Anyway, let me turn this thing around here and we'll see if we can figure out what we're doing. The farmer in.
Liddell.
The farmer in.
Liddell.
Hi-ho, da dirty do, the farmer in.
Liddell.
Okay, all of this mess is so that we can jack the center of the beam up, or the trusses. They're not really trusses, but right here, we're gonna use the floor jack, try and go up with it. At the same time, I've got a come along attached at this end and down at that end with the chain. So we're gonna try and bring those together as we're going up at the same time to try and stand this beam and this beam, well, post rather, to get those plumb again. Well, here we go.
Hard work, hard work, hard work, work, hard work, work, hard work, work, hard work, hard work. That's what they say. Hard work, hard work. I earn my pay. Hard work, hard work. Do it every day. Hard work. I get up about 2:45. Hard work. Got to go and earn my pay. Hard work. Put my boots on and lace them up. Hard work. Got another day's of work. Hard work. Hard work. That's what they say. Hard work. Hard work. I earn my pay. Hard work. I get off the rock. I move on down. Hard work. Got to go. Make the call. Hard work. Bring 'em on the doors in the morning. Hard work. Get up. Let's go to work. Hard work. Hard work. You bag up your shoes. Hard work. Hard work. You load 'em up. Hard work. Hard work. Manifest. Hard work. Hard work. You gotta do it right. Hard work. And hard work. Here we go. Hard work. With the sun ready to rock. Hard work. Hard work.
Well, as you can see, we're a little bit off. Not by a lot. If we go down to the other post, we're also just a shade off. But you know what? This barn, garage, shop, whatever you want to call it, covered area to stick stuff, is a little bit older than I am. So we're going to call it good enough. Thanks for watching.